This course specifies the outcomes required to enable a new entrant to the industry to gain a basic understanding of the industry and work ethically and effectively in a real estate agency. This includes awareness of ethical and conduct standards, core functions of a real estate agency operations, legislative and regulatory frameworks within which the industry operates, and industry employment requirements. The term real estate generally refers to land and anything fixed to that land. So that could include buildings, for example, houses, sheds and offices, fences, and anything that is attached to the buildings, for example, air conditioners, plumbing and heating. Real estate is often also referred to as property. The real estate industry is the industry which encompasses all of the services that deal with real estate and includes property sales, property management, vendor advocacy, buyer advocacy, property valuation, business broking, strata, or body corporate management. We will talk about these later on in the course, but first, let's look at the property sales market. Within the property sales area of the industry, there are three main categories of property that real estate agents deal with. These are residential property, commercial property, rural property. Within each category, there are a number of smaller market segments. Some real estate agencies specialise in only one segment, where others represent a broad range of segments. The residential property market refers to those properties that are used for housing. There are 5 main segments within the residential market. First home buyers are often price sensitive. They may be looking for a property which is close to schools and public transport. In most states, there are government schemes to assist first home buyers to enter the property market. Upgraders are generally less price sensitive than first home buyers. They may be looking to cater for a growing family, upgrade to a better quality home, or to move to a different suburb. Downsizers may be looking for smaller or less expensive properties. This may be to downsize their home after their children have moved out, empty nesters, to reduce or eliminate their mortgage, or to find a lower maintenance block. Retirees may be looking for low maintenance properties close to amenities such as shops, medical practices and hospitals. Investors are generally looking for properties to purchase for the purpose of renting out, renovating or developing. The commercial property market refers to those properties which are used for business purposes. There are 3 main segments. Micro and small businesses can include, among others, retailers, self-employed creatives, looking for studio retail space, hairdressers, and other service providers. Small to medium enterprises can include franchisees, retailers, and service providers. They can also include importers, manufacturers, and exporters. Large and international companies can include franchisees, retailers, and service providers, and can also be importers, manufacturers, and exporters, just on a far larger scale with larger property needs and larger budgets. Rural property segments. The rural property market is varied and includes private buyers may be looking to start or buy a small hobby farm. They may be seeking quiet and a closeness to the environment with room for kids to grow up. They will want a property with home that suits their family or land on which to build. They are likely to seek smaller acreages close to amenities, schools, or the town centre. Small family farmers may be seeking to extend their holdings to expand their operations. They are likely to seek properties surrounding their current holdings, and their prime concerns are likely to be productive land and access to water. They might be looking to purchase an ongoing concern with stock, machinery, and prepared cropping areas. Large corporate farmer interests and consortiums are likely to seek large productive properties with access to water rather than properties with attractive houses and amenities.